Congratulations, class of 2020. My name is Carol Parrish, and I'm a faculty member in the chemistry department. Class of 2020, this was not the way you wanted to end your college careers, but you adapted to these unique circumstances and successfully continued to learn and grow. You will become known as the resilient ones, the students who survived a pandemic, who can adjust to anything that life throws at them, who can solve life's biggest problems, and who will master any career you take on after college. To the seniors in my research group, Justin Aris, Christine Ancajas, Michaela Rosen, and Salmika Waregi, it has been a pleasure and an honor watching you transition from enthusiastic science students to full-fledged research collaborators. I have learned an enormous amount from you about science, technology, popular culture, and life in general. Your futures are so very bright. Congratulations on your graduation.
Hi, I'm Mary